calculator. All right, so this question says a stadium currently has a seating capacity of 15,400 seats. All right, so dealing with 15,400 seats, calculate the number of people in the stadium when 75% of the seats are occupied. So basically then 75% of the total, so 75% of the 15,400, that's what we're checking on. All right, so that becomes 75 over 100. We want to multiply that by 15,400. All right, so that's what we're really checking right now. So in doing so, we're getting, it's on your calculator, and we're looking at, all right, so this is actually 11,550 persons, all right, that are actually there. All right, number of people, that amount of people that we actually have right now at that capacity. 11,550 people, that's what we have. All right, so the next question says the stadium is renovated with a new seating capacity of 20,750 after the renovation. What will be the percentage increase in the number of seats? All right, firstly, in order to do that, we definitely have to think about what was the seating capacity before. It was 15,400. All right, so the percentage increase is simply the difference. So finding the increase then. So we want to know the increase, all right? So the increase was actually 20,790 minus 15,400. This will be the increase in the number of seats. All right, so let us quickly subtract that. We minus in 15,400. So the increase in the number of seats would have been 5,390. This is the increase in the number of seats. Then you want to write this as a percentage. So then it's going to be 5,390 over the original number of seats, and then you turn that into percentage, right? So that will take us to the answer. So 5,390, we want to divide that by 15,400, and then you multiply it by 100, and then we're getting 35%. All right, so that is taking us to 35%. Question. It says a neon light flashes 5 times every 10 seconds. So 5 times every 10 seconds. So if you look at this, 5 times every 10 seconds, show that the light flashes, 43,200 times in one day. All right. Now, let's look at this. We could know a number of things. If it flashed 5 times, it flashes 5 times in 10 seconds. All right. All right. So then, say it's giving, if you check this out, it's giving, if we divide by 5, basically, it's giving 1 flash, yeah, in 2 seconds. This is the idea. Just 1 flash in 2 seconds, because so by the time it's 10 seconds, it gives 5. So we know that 1 flash in 2 seconds. Now, if I know the amount of seconds in a day, then I could just take this out. I just divide it by 2 and I get the number of flash. So what I want to find on the side here is the number of seconds in a day. This is giving us the number of seconds in that hour. And then you want to multiply that by how many hours that we have in the day. So you're looking at multiplying 60 times 60. So this is 1 hour. And then now, how many hours in the day? So you multiply this and you get the total seconds in one day. So this is giving us the total number of seconds in a day. So we just simply multiply that. So we're talking about 60 times 24. So this is landing us 86,400 seconds. All right, that is in 1 day. But we are suggesting now, if we have 86,400 seconds in 1 day, and then every 2 seconds the thing flashes, then we could divide it by 2, and it tells you how many flashes in that day. So it tells you that. So we're just confirming that, all right, in a day. The thing is, there are more than one ways you could work this out, but in the interest of time, that's just one way you can work it. So we'll just go. All right, let's